Berlin, a crossroads of history and possibility. A city shaped not just by buildings, but by the people who call it home. It's their choices, their rhythm, that brings the city to life. When Potsdamer Platz was rebuilt in the 1990s, it was a symbol of ambition and new beginnings, a space designed to impress. But over time, it lost its pull. Built for visitors, it never quite found its place with Berliners. When Oxford Properties purchased the site in 2017, the question was simple. How do you turn a place built for others into one that Berliners might choose for themselves?
When we started our vision, or when we started the master plan, we went around the communities and talked to the people around there and asked them what they're looking for at the center and if they want to be part of the change.
So the perception was almost like it was an extra limb of the city rather than part of the city.
The main challenge was really how do we turn a space that is mostly tourist-focused into something that the locals like and appreciate and are open to using and making it part of their daily lives.
You change that by engaging with Berliners. We spent a lot of time learning about the past, educating ourselves on the neighborhood itself.
It's all about listening, it's talking to the right people and bringing on board the right partners.
Apply what we know globally about great assets and what people want in office product and mixed-use development. Previously it was tourist, office worker, Berliner. I think we repositioned that to be Berliner, office worker, tourist in terms of the stack.
It really is about bringing life to the place by identifying the right company, the right mix, the right brand, and also integrating those in our culture and community here.
Slowly, the pieces began to change. The IMAX became a food hall tailored to locals. Cinemas are evolving into art spaces and fitness studios. Sterile spaces gave way to greenery, water, and places to gather. Changes that speak directly to the kinds of experiences Berliners say they want. Dynamic, cultural, and rooted in daily life.
Berliners want to use bikes, and the asset was saying no. We rearranged that. We put bikes at the core and center of the asset. It's a state-of-the-art facility that allows for that mode of transit to be showcased and to be convenient.
Oxford designed for wellness and community, and it's working. In a cautious market, rents are setting a new high watermark, redefining what's possible in Berlin.
It's where we turn that work-oriented asset into something else, transform it to fit better with what Berlin is actually in totality.
Architects hold commercial copyright on their designs for 80 years under German law. That meant Helmut Jahn, who had led the original 1990s vision, still had the final say.
Helmut Jahn would have been 79, 80 at the time. And rather than ask for money, his response to the pitch was, "I love it, when do I start?" I think he would be immensely proud. Where we drew our alignment in all of this was the customer, the human being who comes and experiences the asset.
Now you see the locals are coming back, you see families are coming back with their kids running in the fountains, getting soaking wet. And then at night you see a lot of people, of young people as well, coming back to the food hall here at the center and enjoying the time here.
We are approaching our goal of 10 million of visitors a year. Just to put things into perspective, it's as much as the viewers of Mona Lisa in a year, so it's quite a lot. I mean, my son is asking me 5 times a week if we can go back to the center. So when he does that, then he tells me that we've done something right, That makes me really proud of it as well.
At this point in the portfolio today, it's my favorite place to come. You walk around the forum in the public space, and people don't just pass through the asset any longer. They stop, they stay. And I think everything that they're telling us and showing us is that the change has been welcomed and the perception is changing.
As a Berliner, I kind of also grew up here. It changed throughout this time. This is what also Berlin is about. Like, Berlin is never final. Berlin is always changing. And this is what we're kind of showing at the center. This is our vision to reinvent not only our asset, to reinvent the submarket. And this is how we contribute to Berlin and shaping of Berlin's very much heart.
Today, Potsdamer Platz is becoming what it was always meant to be. Not just a landmark, but a living part of Berlin. A place where the locals set the rhythm and the city follows.